Look at those wheels on here. They even got a little Buick thing in there. It's awesome. Oh wow. Going for a walk now in Ferndale. We're in Pleasant Ridge right now. '67 Mercury convertible. One beautiful Mercury next to a Ford Fairmont Squire wagon and a '66 Ford. Boy, you don't see these around anymore. Wow, this thing's in good shape for what it is. This looks like a true survivor. What a beautiful car. Buick 8. Like their exhaust port they have there. Really nice. They had the new tires put on the F-150 from here. They do pretty good work. It's like a '69 Chevy Suburban. These don't have back doors on the driver's side. Then we got a '67 Riviera. I guess that's not going to show up. The windows are up. Is that your '51 Ford? I was almost born in the front seat of one of them. My dad was taking my mom to the hospital. The train was crossing the tracks, and yeah, just about born in one of these. Same color and everything.
I remember a few years ago, I had a '55 Crown Victoria, red and white one. I work at the Livonia Senior Center. I had the car there, and there's two old ladies. I was inside the office. There were two old ladies looking in the car. She says, "Your car?" I said, "Yeah." She says, "I spent a lot of time in the back seat of one of those." She was well in her 80s, you know.
I love it. That's awesome.
That was great.
You have a good day. Beautiful car.
You know, woman was serious, you know.
Yeah. It's plain towing a banner. I don't know if that shows up or not. This is Ford Mustang area, and it's just crazy around here. How are you doing today?
Hey, how you doing?
Doing good. Thank you. Look at all these beautiful Dream Cruisers. Guess if you want any Ford merchandise, this is the place to get it. Yeah, it rained. Ouch. Missed out on a car just like this in a convertible. I called the guy about it, saw it on Craigslist. He wanted $3,500 for it. It was about as nice as this, except it was a convertible with a black top. And the guy had taken a deposit on it just moments before I called him. It was just posted too.
I like the color.
Someone already tried.
That looks like an original car. Needs some work, but geez, for the year, it's in really fabulous shape. That was a typical powerhouse in these cars. Does that show up? This car was $2,668 delivered. It's got a 3-speed on the floor. It's a nice 67 Mustang.
Insane.
Somebody's up there lighting up the tires. I don't know if you can see the cloud of smoke or not. That is beautiful. Love the color.
That's good, man. Keep that a good scoop, man.
Yeah.
Tons of cars out. That's the way to get around. Oh, when we drove down here, there's not that many cars. Now look at it. The police went after that car smoking the tires. I don't know if they got it or not. Yeah, that's huge, isn't it? That guy that has all those cars up in Romeo that are parked in the storage yard has a Fleetwood just like that one with the big back end there. Hey, he's keeping busy today.
That's what I'm doing. His grandma on the top.
Yep. That's got an old Chrysler Hemi in it. With a supercharger. That's the place that record the radiator and the heater core in the Catalina. They actually have an old payphone inside that still works. Look at this neat old sign here. Pretty cool. Torino GT Convertible, the 390. That's what happens when you light up your tires. They will probably tow the car away and somebody's probably going to go to jail. We're pretty darn strict on that. Car in here I gotta get some video of. It's a must. Sitting right there. It's a 1926. Is this your car?
No.
Yeah, this looks like a nice car to play with. I'd totally do a car like that. Although you'd probably have to have handmade parts for it. So this is just a private party here. Bill's 38. I was just blowing flames and I missed it out of that big Lincoln. It's for sale. Doesn't have a price. It has power steering and power brakes. $289 with a 2-barrel. Pretty straight car. Remember these when they were brand new. Well, walking through the neighborhood has got to be 10 degrees cooler than it was on Woodward. So that was walking through the Dream Cruise on Dream Cruise Day. And again, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe and thank you for watching.